Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to create a recovery partition for Winre in Windows. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Setting up a dedicated recovery partition for Windows recovery environment. Creating or repairing a dedicated recovery partition requires using DiskPart and ReAgentC commands. Step 1. Check existing partitions. Right-click the Start menu and select Disk Management to verify whether a recovery partition already exists. If no recovery partition exists, create an allocated space by shrinking an existing partition or deleting an unused one. If a recovery partition exists but needs resizing, first disable Winre, then delete the partition to create an allocated space. You may also need to shrink another partition to reach the desired size. In this example, we'll allocate 1024 megabytes, 1 gigabyte, for the recovery partition. Step 2. Disable Winre. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run. Step 3. Delete the existing recovery partition. If needed, in Command Prompt, type the following. Replace 0 and 4 with the appropriate disk and partition numbers. If needed, shrink another partition in Disk Management to create additional unallocated space. Step 4. Create a new partition using DiskPart. Run. Step 5. Assign the correct partition ID. In Command Prompt, type the following. For GPT disks, for MBR disks, then exit. Step 6. Locate the Winre.wim file. Navigate to C. Windows, System 32, Recovery. Note, if Windows Recovery Environment, Winre, is enabled, the Winre.wim file may not be visible, as it typically appears only when Winre is disabled. If the file is missing, refer to our video, How to Fix No Winre.wim in the Recovery folder in Windows. The link is in the description below. Step 7. Enable Winre. Run. Step 8. Verify configuration. Check the status. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.